council and ask them, what are the provisions, what is on offer, and how are we intending to tackle some of these challenges which parents are already expressing great concern about. So with regards to the gap, because there will definitely be a gap, especially for those who haven't had access to, proper homeschooling or continuous homeschooling. So they're reliant on, the smartphone, here and there, or a shared device. There might be one shared device in the home where people have to ration how much time they spend on it. So one of the things that I've been told is that there is what is called a recovery curriculum. And this is going to be implemented from September 2020. So this is going to be looking at what the gaps are. So each child will be individually assessed so that the gaps in learning will be identified. But also if there's any well-being, health, and emotional need or gap that the extended COVID period, so isolation from COVID or bereavement or grief, might have triggered in the child, which has not been able to be properly cared for or catered for through the COVID period. So that is one action which will take place around educational attainment and achievement. But I think I've also sort of, enumerated other things that can be looked at. So, coming to, I think if you look at one of the points you put on the slide was around parents who have no recourse to public funds. So how do they really ensure that they can meet the needs of their children? Now, I don't know what happens in Loughborough, so I can't be speaking for Loughborough, but I know that, in Leicester, we have schools have been delivering, educational packs to families that are disadvantaged so that they can keep up with the work. So it is something which is being reviewed by the school improvement team constantly to be sure that no child is left behind, no family falls through the cracks, and access to IT equipment where there isn't the possibility, it's other creative means of supporting them so that children can actually learn. So I think I'll stop for now so that Jane can come in.